Welcome to our custom space where dreams take flight. A party.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, Custom Carving and Epoxy UK, and I hope you're all doing well. So this is going to be a coaster experiment with EcoPore. Again, I've been playing around with EcoPore, trying to get some different effects recently, and I had some really cool, almost stone-like effects last time when I actually mixed the EcoPore with deep cast resin, and I absolutely loved that. But it made me think, what would happen if I just use alcohol inks and the EcoPore? What would it look like? So that's what I'm going to be playing around with. This is the EcoPore that I use. If you want to get yourself some, get over to Apex Resin and get yourself some and use that discount code CCUK to get yourself some money off. But we're going to go straight into this because this is going to be quite a quick experiment. And it is just an experiment. That's why I'm using this mold initially. It's only a 2-ounce mold. And I'm just going to have fun with it and see what happens. It might work and it might not. So if you look, it's like ice and sugar, this EcoPore, and all you do is add water. So I only need enough for this 2-ounce mold. So I'd probably say 2 tablespoons should be enough. And it is, as I say, it's one of those things that it's almost a newish medium to me, and that's why I love playing around with it. So we're going to see what happens in this experiment, and I'm just going to use different alcohol inks directly in the mold and then pour the EcoPore on top and see what we get. So first thing I'm doing is just mixing the EcoPore, and as you can see, it's dead straightforward. I don't even measure it. It's quite forgiving. So that's the powder. It's just above the 2-ounce. So there should be enough here. And I'm just going to add the tiniest bit of water and then mix it around and see where we are, because I know I'm going to need 2 ounce worth of the EcoPore. I think officially it is 30 parts water to 100 parts powder is what you're looking for. But I tend to just mix it like this until I get the amount and the consistency that I want. And the great thing is you can demold it in an hour. It takes a little bit longer than that to fully cure. I think it's 24 hours, but you can demold and see what essentially it's going to look like in just an hour. So I've got some editing to do today. So hopefully by the time I finished editing the video, I'm just going to add a bit more of the powder and a bit more of the liquid to this, just to make sure I've got enough. But you've got to move quite quickly because it does start setting up quite quick as well. There we go. I think that's going to be enough. And as you can see, just mix it round, making sure there's no powder, the same as you would your resin really, because I want to make sure it's thoroughly mixed for this to work. And you get almost, it reminds me of plaster of Paris when you're a kid. And I'm pretty confident that that is mixed up well enough. Now, it's just about playing this part, so I'm just going to have some fun. I've got my alcohol inks at the side, and I'm going to do some different colours and maybe add a couple of metallics as well. So this is orange, and I'm going to go directly in the mould with these. And we're going to see what happens. It might create a good effect, it might not, but you only know if you try. And I'm going to do it quite quick because I don't want them to fully evaporate, which is always the risk when you're doing this sort of thing. Same with resin. Some blue. Just a few drops of this colour. And I'm hoping that it's still going to tint the EcoPore because it's very, very white. But I've never tried this before. As you can see, there's no particular order in which I'm doing this. I just want to get some different colours in there and see what happens, basically. It's more of an experiment, this, before I go for anything bigger. And I've started learning that now. Don't go big unless you're confident it's going to work. I'm going to add a bit of silver as well, metallic. Not a lot, just probably a drop in each. And this is where actually I should have still worn my gloves and I didn't. And again, we're going to see what happens. It's just a case of dripping these alcohol inks. No particular order. And what's this? This is the wine one. So let's add a bit of that. And there we go. I'm happy with that as a mix. In fact, I want a bit more orange just in the centre so that I know if I'm going to have an orangey centre, that's where it's going to be. Let's pour. And it is as straightforward as that. I'm not going to go around the edges first and then keep on going round. I think that looks cool on this side. And then I'm just going to pour in the centre. And it's all going to be about what the front looks like to me, not the sides. It's the first time I've done this with Eco Pour. And it's just a bit of fun to see what happens. And what I might do on this side, I've measured that almost perfectly, is just drip a couple of the colours on this side as well. And we'll see if they're any different when they cure. So then we'll have two sides to look at. And I think I'm just going to go with blue. Like that. And it does still kind of spread. Not as much as it does in resin. But it still wants to pull in if you look. So we're going to have something colourful. I'm not sure this is the effect I was going for though. It looks kind of dark at the minute. Let's add some orange. And the back's kind of muddying, so I'm hoping we're going to get a better result on the front. And it's probably the colours I've picked, guys. So that's it. I'm just going to leave it now for an hour, and then we'll come back and see what it's like. So it's a quick, fun experiment with that Eco Pour. And as I say, we should be able to demold this in an hour and see what we've got. I'm hoping the front's going to look better than the back. So I'll see you guys in about an hour. Quick, fun experiment with Eco Pour. Don't forget, get yourself onto apexresin.com and .co.uk. They ship worldwide. Use the discount code CCUK. Get yourself some money off, and I'll see you at Demold. So we're back, and it's only been about an hour and 20 minutes, but it's hardened up lovely. This is the back. And I'm just hopeful that the front is going to be a little bit more colourful. So I'm just going to carefully demold it. It's still going to be a little bit tactile at the minute because it takes about 24 hours for all the moisture to fully go out of the Eco Pour, but it should be enough to demold. There we go. Nice clean mould. Slightly stained with the alcohol ink, but I was expecting that, and I can just give it a wipe. So here we go. This is the back. Not massively a fan. It's different. Oh, wow. That's different. Look at that. So we've got a little bit of muddying, but I think it's worth experimenting with this a little bit more to see what we get. I'm quite happy with that. And it's still got sort of almost a glossy finish. I don't know if that's the alcohol inks that's caused that. But obviously what you'd do if you're happy with the pattern is put resin over the top or something like that. But yeah, just a fun little experiment. I think the front's definitely better than the back. The back's a lot darker where it muddied a lot more, where I just dripped it in at the end to see what that would do. But I quite like that effect. And I'm definitely going to play around with it a little bit more. You can see the metallic ones as well, just shining through. Let me know what you think in comments. What would you do with this? Again, you could put a sticker on it and then go over it with a coat of resin. Or you could play with it with like acrylic markers, do whatever you want. But I think it is a really interesting background. And that is just the alcohol inks on the mould. And then the Eco Pour poured directly on it. No resin this time. That's just your Eco Pour. So I'm going to leave it to fully cure and then decide what I'm going to do with it. But let me know what you think in comments. It was just a fun little experiment. because I haven't tried it yet. And look at those alcohol inks, the metallic ones shimmer on it as well. I really like that. So it's different. But if you've liked it, if you've learned anything, do me a favor, like and subscribe to the channel. QR code's there if you prefer to do it like that. And don't forget, get on, if you want to try experimenting with this eco pour, get yourself onto apexresin.co.uk, use the discount code CCUK to get yourself some money off and have fun. You know, I'm actually really liking that. The more I look at it, I'm coming up with different ideas now on what to do on the front. So let me know what you think in comments, and I'll see you on the next one.
Welcome to our custom space where dreams take flight. A positive visions coming to life. It's a perfect sight. We born together, blooming three, resin family. Testing my guts, new creations. We set